Hi friends, welcome back to Ms Donzella Cooks. Glad for you to join me in my kitchen. And if you're new to my channel, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel at Ms Donzella Cooks. And today I'm making an easy, budget-friendly ground turkey stir fry. And it's to take on the regular beef and pepper stir fry. Just that I'm using ground turkey for just a little leaner version. So again, I've started browning my turkey, and I had it on a little high heat in order to absorb the water that comes out of your turkey, because your turkey doesn't have any fat in it, so you also need to add a little oil to your pan prior to cooking the meat. So we'll just get that. And then, so what I'm going to do is start seasoning up my meat. So I'm going to start with some garlic powder. Put that in there. And then we got some onion powder. And then I'm just going to use some Mrs. Dash chicken grilling blend. I like Mrs. Dash because it gives you a lot of flavor with no salt. So, and I'm going to use just a little bit of Mrs. Dash spicy because I just want a little bit of heat there. And I had some paprika for a little bit of color. And then, friends, we're going to use some ground ginger. We're going to have a little Asian flair on this, okay? Let's brown this up. And to this, I'm also going to add a little bit of this better than bouillon chicken. Okay, and then I have some onions and peppers we're going to add to this. Some garlic. I have some chopped garlic in here too as well. And just some onions and peppers that I've sliced up. Nothing fancy. I'm doing an Asian stir-fry twist here with ground turkey. And again, friends, if you like easy, budget-friendly recipes, I'd love for you to join me in my kitchen, in my YouTube channel at Ms Donzella Cooks. So we're always trying to find and use what we have in our pantry, our refrigerator and freezer, and just get in there and get creative. Back in the day, we had to work with limited ingredients, so sometimes your best dishes are made with just simple ingredients. Just want to cook this down a little more. And you just keep cooking this down until your vegetables are just tender. Because I'm also going to add some of this Worcestershire sauce. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but that's as close as we can get. There we go. I'm also going to add some soy sauce. And since this is a stir fry and I wanted a little sweetness to it, I'm going to add a little teriyaki sauce. And friends, I don't measure anything. I season to taste. You layer your seasoning. So you start with a little and then work your way until you get, add and adjust till you get the right amount of seasoning that works for you. I'm going to taste this to see what this ground turkey tastes like. That's really good, friends. And so to this, I'm also going to add a little bit of water. And I made a little slurry with just some water and cornstarch. So I'm going to add that to this. So I'm kind of thicken it up a little bit. There we go. I'm also going to add a little bit of sugar. You just keep cooking it down until your veggies are tender to your liking. And I've added the sugar. And let me see what it tastes like now. That's really good, friend. I'm going to add a little more ginger. A little bit more like ground ginger. But you don't want to add too much because you don't want it to be bitter. And then also, you can use fresh ginger. I just don't happen to have any fresh ginger on hand. And like I said, we work in this kitchen with what we have. And I had ground ginger on hand, and that's what I put in here. And so this was going to give it a little Asian flair. Just cook that down. And I'm also going to add, because I want to add some veggies to this, I'm going to add some peas and carrots. The color in there, just to get some veggies in there. And I used frozen peas and carrots, and I had already thawed them. So we just want to heat these through. And I also have my rice prepared. So this is what we're going to put over our rice. And this is just an easy, budget-friendly ground turkey stir fry. You certainly can use ground beef. I'm just using ground turkey just for a leaner version. But if you want ground beef, certainly use ground beef. You do not have to put the carrots and peas in here at all. I just did that because I wanted some veggies in here. And I love the color. So let me see what it tastes like now. That's really, really good, friends. You'll enjoy it. I think I might add just a little bit more of my Mrs. Dash chicken seasoning because it's grilling blend, so it has a little smokiness to it. I like that. I'm also going to add a little more onion powder. And this comes together so quickly. More garlic powder. Okay. just want to turn my heat down low, and we'll get our rice. And a dish like this, friends, with your rice, you can feed it. You feed your family. Not expensive, and this is a budget stretcher. So now, guys, I'm going to take my paper towel with me. So friends, we'll just put this on top of our rice, just like so. You can also add a little more soy sauce to the top if you like. So we'll use that. Take that off our heat. Turn our heat off. And friends, this is our easy, budget-friendly ground turkey stir fry. I added peas and carrots. You don't have to do that, and it's over a bed of rice. This is a simple, easy dish your family will love. So I'd love for you to join me in my kitchen. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and Ms Donzella Cooks. And we always cook with love, and we use what we have in our kitchen and come up with beautiful, creative dishes like this easy stir fry, ground turkey stir fry. Thank you again for joining me in my kitchen, and I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and Ms Donzella Cooks.